Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you step by step how can you change your game profile, whether you are a new gamer or just want to change your profile picture or update your log. This guide is super easy. Let's get started.
First, open the Google Play Games app on your phone. If you don't already have it, you can download it for free from the Play Store.
Then you can sign in using your Gmail account.
When you open it, you'll see your current profile at the top. That includes your gamer ID, profile picture, and level. Now, to edit your profile, tap on your profile picture or the circle icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account details where you can see your achievements, games played, and your friends list.
Now you can just click and edit the name. Now let's update your profile picture. Tap on your profile photo and you will get the option to choose from your Google account photo or upload a new one. Pick up the one you like and the Play Games will instantly update your profile across the game connected to your account. Updating your privacy and preferences. While you are here, you can also adjust your privacy setting. You can choose who can see your gaming activity and the achievement, and also can send friend requests.